Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to humanize AI writing using Writenaturallyai in 2026. So if your AI text sounds robotic or obvious, this tool is going to help you rewrite it into natural, personal, human style content instantly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on writenaturally.com. Once you are here, first of all, click on the option of try for free on the top right hand corner of the screen. With the help of it, you will get 500 words absolutely for free. Afterwards, you will have to upgrade to the plan, but we will talk about it later in this video. So when you scroll down here on this page after signing up, you need to paste the text that you wrote in ChatGPT or any other AI tools. This works for blog posts, for captions, email scripts, and essays. Now the tool is going to analyze the tone, the vocabulary patterns, and the sentence structures. So here, click on the option of Humanize in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. This particular tool is going to give you some of the options like casual, professional, creative. So you can pick a mode, and then you can just simply select the style that matches to your preferences. After that, this was the text that I gave it to. After that, it has given me this type of result, and it is showing that it is 100% human written. Now once you have your result ready, you can click on the option of copy result, and you can start using it wherever you want to use it. So you can also export it in the form of text or doc file. Your writing will be fully humanized with the natural pauses, with the rhythms and personality. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.